so tired.
I'm tired too. This is the best I could find. That's so sweet.
Good boy.
Good morning. We finally made it to this very important day. It is, drumroll please, moving day. So I am here getting ready, brushing my teeth, slapping on some makeup, brushing the hair, throwing comfy clothes on, and we're gonna hit the road, get to the new home, and I'm gonna be sleeping in my new home tonight. You guys are so excited. I'm so excited. Let's do this. I think we should just like do a light makeup day. Let's just see what we got in here. Luca is already feeling extraordinarily uncomfortable about the moving situation. He knows, he sees things packed up. We're trying to do some deep breathing. How are we doing, Pook? Are we excited to move? Yes? Nice backyard for you to run in, huh? What do you think? He's like, I want dad, is what I think. All right, well. I really don't want to be on camera right now. Ugh, the move has moved me. It's moved me.
I'm so tired.
I'm tired too. We're at Target for the essentials. We needed a trash can. That's non-negotiable. Toilet paper, also non-negotiable. I have things to say about this. Bamboo, it's good for you. We got hefty bags, some soaps, cleaners. Oh, what are those things?
Food wipes.
You want to talk about it? Dishwashing detergent, just, you know, like the cute basics that you need when you first move in. It's super exciting. Ooh, that's lovely. I really want one of these, actually. Okay.
These are cuter.
That's cute.
Right?
I'm so tired. I need to brace on that. I'm just losing strength, James.
Yes.
I'm losing strength.
I already lost strength. I'm so tired.
Let's kick it over to Whole Foods. Let's go. All right, so it's 11:30 at night. We are just making dinner. We had a, I can't think right now. Hold on. We will resume regular programming in just a second. Ugh. All right, I cannot think. My back hurts, my knees hurt, my ankles hurt. Like everything is like moving dayness, you know? It does, like, take a moment. Let's like listen. Let's listen. Do we hear? The outside noises are like soothing my soul. We couldn't find a spatula to make spaghetti, so we had to tear apart everything we didn't want to tear apart to find the one kitchen box. That was a thing. We had to make a mad dash to Target to save the day because we don't know what happened, but all of our bedding is missing. Like, it's not here. We don't know what the heck, so we didn't have sheets or a blanket or pillows. So let me show you a cute little bedding haul in the middle of this moving vlog. All right, so the other thing that happened was we had 5 minutes until the store closed. So James grabbed the cart and he's like, it's gonna be like supermarket sweep. We promise, we just need one thing. Where's bedding? And we ran back there. And this looked pretty decent. A linen blend comforter set. I would have preferred not having to purchase a new bedding set, but this does look really nice. I'm kind of questioning the color in here. I don't know. I have sheets in the wash right now. Pillows over there, things that still need to be opened up. Cute. There's me and James. That's it. Let's go check on Puka. He's having the best time of us all. Where are you going? Puka shell. Puka. Come on, come here. Do you love your new home? He's super excited. He loves it so much. Yes, you do. I'm gonna eat spaghetti and go to bed and wake up and unpack some more. Good morning, world. So I am in an amazing outfit. Actually, we just went to Starbucks because needed. And I'm gonna have my husband do like a really amazing outfit of the day for me. I'm gonna get next to the greens. This is the best I could find. This is not that bad. There's no mirrors in the house right now also, so that's like a whole nother thing. I have no idea what I look like. Hey. All right, so I got ready and now I'm taking a break. This is like just looking around at everything still in plastic and in boxes, and the amount of trash that's everywhere is slightly overwhelming. I need to get it together. I need to find the motivation to go and tackle the studio. I'm gonna take you guys with me, get a little more detailed behind the scenes, organize the drawers. Let's get some better light too. Oh yes, much better. I'm gonna try and organize in there a little bit because I really just want access to my makeup. I have missed it. It has been a long 4 months with a lot of my like favorite eyeshadow palettes and what have you stuffed in a box. And it's just really sad, and it deserves a better life and a better home. So let's go unpack and organize for a minute. All right, so I made it over into the studio and now I need to do a massive clean of some brushes. I'll show you what we have going on over here. Some skin devices. I have my skincare, hair care, body care. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna fill these drawers, and we're waiting for the topper. And then over here, I have set up paper towels. I need to get some drawer inserts. I'm gonna go do that right now before I go and lay everything in. And I have some acrylic dividers that I wanna figure out where they're packed away. So there's a lot that needs to be done in here, but I think once everything is in, it's gonna feel so nice. You're getting ready at my vanity?
I'm just brushing my hair.
Because this is the only mirror we have in the home right now. Literally, this mirror is seeing all of the action. We brush our teeth here, contacts go in here. And this is a great, my Elios mirror, love it so much. Ooh, it is echoey in here. I'm gonna have to sort that out, huh? Puka needs a bath. You're still so cute. Oh my gosh.
Puka shows the dust. The floor needs to be cleaned. It turns gray.
Look at his little mohawk. Hi.
Nice baby. Dum 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 dum.
Good boy, Booga. Good boy. Good boy. Get it. Good boy.
This is so sweet. I have never ever in my life had a neighbor drop off a welcome to the neighborhood gift. Are you kidding me? So this is from John and Kathy. Thank you so much. Honestly, my heart is so warmed. So sweet, right?
Yes.
Okay. We have the first flower of this home, an orchid. Love it. So gorgeous. Where should this go? How about here?
Oh, I love the fireplace.
It's so rustic.
Yes. Cute. Little cards. I'll open that in a minute. Okay. We have.
Is that an apron?
I think that's too small to be an apron.
There's scissors right there.
Oh,
wow.
That's so sweet.
That's cool.
Right? A devotional. That's so sweet.
Nice.
I've never had any neighbor do this, so I'm just like shocked. Legitimately shocked. Like usually, I did love LA, don't get me wrong. Like LA, you're still LA, you're fun, lived there for a long time. But guess what? Everybody, like even if you're in an elevator in an apartment complex, they're like, don't talk to me. Like it's so different. So yeah, I'm enjoying this. And I will privately be reading this. All right, we need a mop. We need to go to Home Depot. You want to show them what you're cleaning tonight? What your task is? Oh, no, I wasn't talking about that.
This and all of this. I have to take the trash out.
You have to take the trash out. I was talking about this.
Oh.
Yeah.
So
So
I have to clean the pantry.
yeah. Yep. It's dusty. You clean it, I'll organize it. We also have a few broken items that need super gluing. We're gonna see. Let's show them. Let's fly. Why not? So this is one of my favorite lamps. I love this. It's just like so pretty. But hello. So it's gonna be craft time tonight. James will be mopping and I will be gluing.
Nice.
Yes.
What else are you gluing?
This over here. Oh my gosh. Maybe not break more things than we need to. Okay, we are going to be gluing this right here. I would also like to give an update on the new 5-minute bed sheet purchase, Casa Luna. They have great towels. The towels wash well. I know this because of one of the Airbnbs we were at. Like the towels were like they stayed really soft. So I don't want to dog on the brand too much, but these are scratchy. We miss our Caraloha bamboo, so buttery soft sheets. We need to order those because this is like, it's not doing it for me.
It's scratchy.
It's a little scratchy. So we have things to do. All right, let's hit it. Thank you. Thank you. What do you think of my Sephora towels? You named them the Sephora towels, right? We went and got 2 more. Eventually they will be used as actual towels, but for right now, this is my organizational system. Oh my gosh, right? If I wore a different lipstick every single day, Like, how many are even here? I haven't counted, but this is a lot of days. I need to do a purge. I need to do a clean out. We've got setting sprays, eye makeup palettes. The topper is coming at the end of the week. Hopefully we get shelves put up soon. And I need to clean all of the acrylic and then put everything in drawers. I'll give you like a little kind of sneak peekaroo of everything back here. We have fragrance, kind of some of my personal items, my tools. Oh my gosh, guys. I love a good skin tool. I love a good skin tool. Some more personal things, more organizers. This needs a topper. That needs to be fixed. We need a light. Oh my gosh, there's a lot to do. Right, so I was totally optimistic, like overly optimistic that this room would be done, organized. I know I don't have the toppers for the shelves, whatever, but I was like, I'm gonna get everything loaded in and then I will do like a really cute beauty room tour and it'll be so good. And I'm exhausted and I'm barely like maybe 20% into the full organization, purging the old makeup, cleaning things, cleaning the acrylic. Like there is so much to do. I did not realize this would be such a big task. Don't mind me. I'm just gonna sit here and play with the makeup that I want to play with all of it. And that's why I'm even wearing makeup, because I get distracted and I'm like, oh my gosh, you know what I should do? I should just sit on the floor and swatch everything, because that'll be an efficient use of my time. Yeah, so we had to do grocery shopping today. I got more of these towels to organize everything. I got drawer inserts finally, hallelujah. But that should take an entire evening, like cutting the whole thing to fit into each drawer. So game on. I'm gonna enjoy the process and let me know in the comments if you wanna see a full beauty room tour once everything is done. In comes James.
Did you just call me
I'm
James?
sorry, James.
James?
James. I am tired. Tell
I'm
them how
gonna
tired we are.
Measure and cut your drawer liners.
Oh, you're doing it for me?
Yes, ma'am.
What a man. All right, so we're gonna get to it. I love you guys. Thank you for being a part of our move. I will show you more behind the scenes vlog stuff as you guys seem to like it. So if you like it, go have a good one, whatever you are doing. And I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.
Wait, was it looking at my butt the whole time?
Yes.
I don't like that.
Well, then you shouldn't have crashed my video.
Take two.